Ayan mga ka-Jocerap, gumagawa ako ngayon ng tawag dito, mango sticky rice. Yan.
Let's try heading off in this direction. There might be signs or clues that the sea eater was here. So let's search the seafloor. If you're still alive.
Does that mean the sea eater is somewhere nearby?
It would make sense. Whoa, it looks like a wall of water.
Oh, nice. Thank you.
All right, let's use these boats to search the ocean.
Yeah.
As soon as we find the sea eater, let's take it down.
Okay mga ka-Jocerap, dahil nga na-miss ko na yung sinigang, kaya naman magsisinigang tayo ngayon. Okay, ito ay sinigang na baboy. Okay, napakadali lang ito lutuin. At saka nami-miss ko na talaga yung sabaw-sabaw mga ka-Jocerap. Okay, so papakuluin ko lang ng konti at pwede na ito mga ka-Jocerap. Perfect na perfect na yun. No? Ewan ko lang kung perfect sa ngayong mainit na gabi. No? Init niya ngayon, summer na talaga. Okay, so ayan mga ka-Jocerap. Hintayin ko lang na kumulo ng konti at pwede na ito. Okay, grabe no, ang bango-bango. Itong rice natin is itong malagkit, nilagyan na natin yan ng gata. Okay, tingnan naman, napaka-thick, grabe, napakasarap talaga. Na-enjoy ko na yung gata niya, no. Tapos, naglagay din pala ako ng dito, wash na sugar. Dapat white, kaso feeling ko kasi yung white sobrang tamis. So, ang ginawa ko is wash, kaya nagganyan yung color niya. Okay, so hintayin pa natin yan maluto siya mga ka-Jocerap. Okay, mango sticky rice, dahil ito ang request dito sa bahay namin. Kaya naman, gagawin ko sila. At ito yung mangga na isasawag natin sa taas. Yan, nahiwa ko na yan. So, hiwain na lang natin ng pa-slice ng pahaba. Okay, ito na yung natin, gata natin, no? Okay. Bakit siya na ganito? Kasi nilagay ko na siya sa freezer. Dapat kasi lulutuin ko na siya kanina. So, meron akong ginawa. So, ayan, natutunaw na siya mga ka-Jocerap. Tapos, lalagyan natin yan ng condensed milk. Yan, depende sa inyo kung gaano karami yung condensed milk na ilalagay nyo. Pero ako kasi ayoko ng sobrang tamis. Kaya, ilalagay ito on top. Okay? Grabe, perfect na perfect. At talaga namang napakasarap nito mga ka-Jocerap.
Huwag mo pamalo ko, ha? What?
Okay, maglalagay na ako ng condensed. Hingin natin yung condensed mga ka-Jocerap. Yan, papalaputin lang natin to, tapos ilalagay natin to on top. Okay, perfect.
Sino to?
They're heading towards the lava now.
But surely the Chong 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 Sahur won't be able to swim through the lava, right?
Yeah, they're dying before they can get across.
Alright. It looks like the Chong 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 Sahur can't get across to this side. I hope they give up and go home.
What's wrong, Banana Kid? What? Hold up.
What?
The Trollolero Trolla.
No way! There's no way the Trollolero Trolla can freeze the lava to get across, right? So we'll be fine.
No way. This is really bad. They're freezing the lava to get across. They can freeze any liquids they step on.
Oh no! Now what?
Let's head for the security walls.
Okay,
Hurry!
let's go!
They're right behind us, too.
Hurry up!
Now to activate the iron security walls. 3, 2, 1, click.
Okay, so ilalagay na natin yung sauce on top. Actually, pwede ko naman siyang ilagay kung gusto ko lang, no? Ilalagay ko siya kapag kuha ako. Pero gusto ko ilagay ko na lahat para
It's the cursed doll again.
isahan na lang.
It's scarier than it is yesterday. I knew we couldn't just throw it off a cliff.
Yan mga ka-Jocerap.
It's more red than before. What's that about? TNT. Just like this.
Yan, maglalagay na tayo ng mango.
This cursed doll appears to be really tough. So we'll need to use a lot of TNT.
Yeah.
This will create such a powerful explosion that the doll will be blown to smithereens, and then we'll be safe.
Okay.
Ready to go? Mikey, arm yourself. Ta-da!
All right.
These are rocket launchers. Go, go, go!
All right. What?
It's destroyed!
Wow. The cursed doll is gone.
Woohoo! Everything we can!
Yan mga ka-Jocerap, so finished product na to.
See how it's doing?
Oh, I guess we haven't seen it move
Okay,
yet.
so check natin to. In
There's
order
the
ko
cursed
na.
doll. Yeah, we haven't seen it move, right? Which means that, let's take a closer look. Yeah, it doesn't move while we're looking at it. So watch this. Ta-da! I'll start by placing a
Let's
security
check
camera over here. I'll put
what's
another one here so
inside the
there are no
box.
blind spots. How about one here?
Grooming hair.
Now to close
Clipper.
it up. By doing this, the cursed doll will always be under surveillance by security cameras, which means it can never move away from this.
Wow, complete na pala siya talaga. Yan, so meron tayo dito.
It's pretty late.
Ano ba ito?
I'll have some milk and go to sleep.
Pang nails nila.
Now that
Yan,
there's
pang
this place,
nails.
I'll set it in bed.
Ito ang pang brush ng buhok. Supply.
This way at night.
Tapos may gunting. Yan. Fairness, mataling na. Tapos, meron tayong ganito. Hindi naman tawag sa ganito. Nakalimutan ko.
Even though it's this late.
may pampatak,
Well, that
may
is
charger,
weird.
connector,
Okay, I'll
nail
give you
cutter.
a we'll wait for them together.
Ito, malagay dito pang trim.
Let's head to your house.
Ito nilalagay. So meron tayong tatlong ganito. May apat.
After you.
Tapos ito, hindi ko alam kung saan to. Okay, so meron naman ditong professional electric hair clipper, hair scissor manual. Ayan, so meron siyang manual dito.
Let's take a look.
So tingnan na natin ito mga
Don't
kajosa.
come looking for us. Tonight, we left Mikey behind, and we're never.
The place in this photo.
Managed to break inside. Okay, there should be a monitor loop somewhere with a feed for the security cameras. We'll find it. Let's go this way for now.
Okay.
Oh, this